Hello, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you can reset the surface reminder service indicator of a Toyota Yaris. This one comes from 2021. This one is a hybrid model, and in this short video I'm going to show you how you can do it for yourself. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Have a look at the channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Use the comment area if you have any questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start. First, press the ignition on. Then we're going to use the left side of the steering wheel. Find the menu area. Then find vehicle settings. This one. Press hold OK to see details. Yes. Then go to oil maintenance by scrolling down, of course. Okay, and then it says reset data. Scroll up to yes and press and hold it, and as you can see, reset complete. This was a 2021 Toyota Yaris hybrid model. I hope this trick helped you to reset your own car, and I hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.